After a 6-month suspension, after testing positive for PEDs, Beckett makes a return to the WCA. Let's see if he can regain the trust and support of all of his fans. After getting clean, one of the first things Beckett did was get a new hairdo. Wow. Solid start for Beckett as he uses a TPO bypass. Solid move. Such natural talent. Incredible. One of Beckett's undeniable strengths is his pinky control. Watch that pinky. Whoa. Whoa. Beckett credits his father for teaching him all that he knows about cubing. Wow, what a great dad. Someone needs to beat this girl. What the hell is she doing? Beckett doesn't need PEDs. Solid solve.